we have 25 divided by 4. So 25 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. 25 is the dividend because it is being divided and 4 divides, hence it is the divisor. So if we divide 25 by 4, we get 6 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Remainder is what is left after dividing, or what is remaining after the division is called remainder. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let us verify this. In this case, 4 is the divisor, 6 is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. 4 into 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25, which is the dividend. So it is verified. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So which of the following relation is true? Now we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this holds. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we have 5x square plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. We have already learned how to divide two polynomials. So first we see if there is a common factor between these two polynomials. We see that we cannot factorize the dividend, which is 5x square plus 2x minus 4. So we cannot cancel out any common factors between the dividend and the divisor. So we divide by long division method. So we divide it using the long division method. 5x square plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Now can you tell me what will be the quotient of this division? Now in order to divide this by this, we need to divide the first term of this by this. That is 5x square divided by x. This gives us 5x. So we have 5x here. Multiply the divisor with 5x. We get 5x into x, 5x square. 5x into negative 2 gives negative 10x. And we subtract it. This gets cancelled. 2x plus 10x gives 12x. And we have a negative 4 here. So 12x minus 4. Now we need to divide 12x by x. So 12x by x gives us 12. So we have a 12 here. Now 12 into x minus 2 is 12x minus 24. This is what we have. Again we need to subtract. So change the signs. 12x and negative 12x get cancelled out. Negative 4 plus 24 gives 20. Now 20 is a constant and this is a linear polynomial. So the degree of what is left is less than that of the divisor. So the degree of this is less than that of x minus 2. So we cannot divide it further. So this is our quotient and 20 is the remainder. So 5x plus 12 is the quotient of this division, whereas 20 is the remainder. Now in this case, 5x square plus 2x minus 4 is the dividend. Now let us check what is divisor into quotient plus remainder. The divisor here is x minus 2. So the divisor is x minus 2. Quotient is 5x plus 12. So it is 5x plus 12 and remainder is 20 plus 20. This is what we have. Now let us simplify this. So we need to multiply these two and add 20. So multiplying these two, x multiplied with 5x gives 5x square, x into 12 gives 12x, negative 2 into 5x gives negative 10x, negative 2 into 12 gives negative 24 plus 20. Now combine the like terms. So we have 5x square plus 12x minus 10x gives 2x, negative 24 plus 20 gives negative 4. So this is the same as the dividend, 5x square plus 2x minus 4. So we can say that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And this holds in the case of algebra as well. So this identity holds in arithmetic, and it holds when we divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.